So I just want to show you a couple of quick and easy ways that we can extend the earpieces on the mask to make them more comfortable to wear. So I've made these ones with using scrunchies for the earpieces. I actually did that just because when I went to Spotlight, they had no elastic left, not a piece of elastic left in the store. And so I thought I could use scrunchies. I've just cut them in half and sewn them on the ends, but you could just as easy do this extension if your mask is made with elastic. But I'm using scrunchies to do the extension. And these are sold in nice lovely big packs of 100 at your supermarket. I bought mine from Coles. They were only about $3 for 100 pieces. And when I bought my original ones in Spotlight, I could get nice blue ones to go on my blue masks and nice orangey red ones to go on my orange masks. But that was in Spotlight, not in the supermarket. I don't know what colours you can get in the supermarket. Anyone who's got girls at school no doubt know these exist, but like me, if you're a bit past girls at school, you might not know you can get them in that sort of quantity. So all we do, so we're just talking about when you wear the mask, if you're wearing it for a long period of time, particularly, that elastic can get quite annoying on the back of your ears, even though with the scrunchies I think it's quite a nice soft elastic. So all we do is take another scrunchie. I'm going to use my boring old plain brown ones. Just stick it through the loop, so you've got one half on either side. Put one end of the loop through the other loop, pull it tight. Okay, and on the other side same thing, stick the second band through. So you've got one loop either side, one loop goes through the other loop. Anyone who's my age was at junior school in the 60s, we used to do this to make elastic skipping ropes. But I don't know whether people do that anymore. It's a bit sad. Okay, so we've now got one extra one on each side of the mask. If you've got someone who's got quite a big head, you might want to put one more on. You don't necessarily need to put one more on each side. You can just do it on one side. So just again, on that extra loop, go through again, and then one loop through the other. And we've got an extra long side. So it looks a bit lopsided now, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, so then to join it together, one more scrunchie. So those loops are quite secure, but it probably wouldn't be secure enough for this extra one to join it. So we're going to take the two loops on the mask together, take the extra scrunchie, go through both loops, so it's hanging there, and we're going to go one side through the other, and then we're going to take it through a second time and pull it tight. So we end up with a nice sort of a plaited loop. Pull it reasonably tight and it's not going to come undone. Okay, and then when you put it on, okay, we just bring that around the back of the head. So you could still put the side loops around your ears to sort of hold it in place. You could use your ponytail, if you've got one, to hold it up in place. You could have it under your ponytail if your ponytail is a bit higher. And the other thing, the other option you can use, just with your normal elastic, if your elastic's not too thick, is to use a hair slide to hold it in place. So I've just, on this one, I've just got the normal loops, just putting that on. And then rather than just keeping it around my ears, so if I was going to put a hair slide in my hair, I just include the elastic in the hair slide and hold it in place that way. Hope that was useful. Good luck with your masks. Hope we don't have to wear them for too long.